following video, we're going to be working with the E minor shape here. And that shape is just two fingers that we're putting on string number 5, fret number 2, string number 4, fret number 2, and we're just pressing down an E, simple E minor chord, right? We're going to be working with the notes in the 6th string. So we have E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and we're going to end up in A, right? Let's go again. So we have E, we're just going chromatically down, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then A. We're going to use the E minor chord or E minor shape to do these new chords that we're going to be doing. And they're all minor because we're using the minor shape. So if we move these two fingers down to fret number 3 now, so we're doing fret number 3, string number 5, and string number 4, and we place a bar on fret number 1, now we have an F minor chord. So we went from E minor, we're doing the same shape that we had before. The only thing that we did is we moved it down 1 fret, and then because we moved it, now we have to place a bar in fret number 1, right? So now this is F minor. Let's keep going down. So now this is going to be F sharp minor. F, E. Okay, so we are in fret number 2, F sharp, and we're doing the F minor chord. Let's keep going down. Now we're going to do G minor. We are in fret number 3, then G sharp minor. We're going to end in A minor. So let's review. We have E minor. We're going down to F, F sharp, G minor, G sharp minor, A minor. We just discovered a different place to play the A minor chord. We have a bar in fret number 5, and we do the E minor shape, and now we have an A minor chord there. Let's do the same thing with the E major shape, right? So E major shape is finger number 1 is going to be in the string number 3. Then we have string number 4 with finger number 3, and finger number 2 is going to be in string number 5, fret number 2, and that's the E major chord. Let's apply the same principle that we use. We're going chromatically down in using string number 6 as our guide. So we have E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, right? So we're using the E. We're going to move it down. F major chord, F sharp major, G major, G sharp major, and A major. We could continue going down, and it's just going to be continuing the chromatic scale, right? So let's do the same thing with the E7 shape. And basically what we do is we have finger number 1 on string number 3. Finger number 2 is going to be in string number 5, fret number 2. And that's the E7 shape. We have an E7 chord right there. And if we move it, we follow the same principle that we did. F sharp 7. This is F7. So now we have an F7, F sharp 7. We have G7 here. 7, A7. So basically what we're doing is we're using the 6th string as our guide. We're going chromatically and we are pressing a shape. We're doing a minor or major or a 7th chord shape to help us build new chords. And you can practice that all the way to the 5th fret, or you can just go all the way down naming them, right? And this is a great practice for the bar also. You can as you're doing it, you're going to be making sure that you're pressing all the notes, you're doing the bar correctly, and that's going to help strengthen your hand, okay? So I want you to practice that. Start off with the minor, then do the major, and then do the 7th chord all the way down to the 5th fret, and that's going to be your exercise for today.